Kinong Tray Asha Kajala hapok kalama jong ka Meghalaya Ad Hoc Workers Union minta kesini kila ikendu yu menteri kakot kakya ba ILHEC bat kerpad yu ba kesorkar kadeban siu tikna katulop jongki. Kinong yelang jongki nong Tray Asha kibla ikendu yu ba HEC kila kentu ba kesorkar kadeban penkiu na katulop jongki namar bakidor jongki mar kimala kila kiu palat hakini kisni. Habakan kinong thokot khubor kinong ilam kila itu bo menteri kakot kakya ula kular banshim kiai ki jing e jongki badai bakane kadau menta kalau aweng no e ka jing sange trekam jongki.
An agreeable meeting with the Ashas. From the Asha, three representatives they came. We have with our principal secretary, the MD NHM, and also with the Sinjuk Kinong Sensation. So all the discussion we had is very, very agreeable and successful. The thing is like this. Also, we have told them after our discussion, you should call off your indefinite strike. So that also they have agreed. Then now from the government, we have come forward. Now they are getting only the incentive from the NHM. Now the state government are going to give them incentive of 2,000 rupees. That is not based on performance. Whether they work or they don't work also, that 2,000 rupees will be given to them every month. And also they are saying they've been delaying to disburse the amount to them. They said that is from the July onward. We'll have our software which will start from the UMLI, that is the pilot project. Their salary, honorarium, whatever incentive they're supposed to get, it will go directly to their personal account of the Ashas. And also we said that during this pandemic, now during the pandemic, the NHM is giving incentive of 1,000 rupees. We said that also, we the state government also will pay you 1,000, apart of 2,000, another 1,000 also will pay you for incentive for the COVID during this pandemic. Then also the pending dues, which is pending for the Asha benefit scheme and the Meghalaya maternity benefit scheme, which is pending till 2018. That we said by July will clear all the amount, whatever amount. Then again they have demanding, we said what about the 2019 and 2020? We said that one will not be able to give you any assurance at present, but the door has not closed. That also will be worked out. But the government decided whatever dues pending from 2011 to 2018 will be clear in the months of July. Now, that how much each, I cannot say you that, but that up to the pending dues of March 2018, it is 22 crores. That immediately by July we will clear that 22 crores. 6,000 plus Ashas workers there. Now they are getting the incentive during the COVID, that is 1,000 from the NHM. We said we will give additional 1,000 from the state government also for the COVID duty. That will do during this pandemic only. Then also we are giving the additional, not incentive, but additional honorarium, 2,000 rupees every month. This is not based on any performance, whether they are duty, no duty, or whatever they are. Because if they are feel sick also, they are lying at home or hospital, these 2,000 rupees they will be getting every month. And we are ensured by the first week of the month will clear all their salaries.
Lawan hapok kamera jong imba hek mira penberan duk menen kejan miet pengi wan banyakran halor ke jing strike jong ki Asha barok khoj barok koi ke state hi tingi kwa ban pen pau hang ne ba kat kum ke jing kular ba kum ke meeting ke bangi la ekran dai ba hek hapok ba ki dan katuk ni ki ban hapok state ki doctors nang ta pede ki state nodal officer nang ta pede kong ani di dan lang rengkat ru bat kini ki senjuk rang ba senang ma ti nang ta pede kata ke jing ekran kalong baik ba I bahek ila kumu health minister ila insurance ngi bagin siu ya ka fix ngadu 2021 hi ngadu bana April in ai no ka fix anariam kata kalong arhaja kata ka fix anariam kumbangi pa ngadu mansua bahkan long baik ba lada ki Asha ki tray ne ki kim tray ru le si ki Asha ki pam ru kinyo be kata ka arhaja ki thiapang sibnai arbana ru kinyo be kata ka arhaja but kata kadai ka fix anariam ka wan nak state pasti kan ai bet la de pihak pang la de ki asha ki tiap pang ne ki yo klung ni kadang kono ko benta ba kim la ban tre ko mot baka kata ka fix kin yo bet hajar si banai nang ta hakabai de ukubit pan na ka state ka 80,000 kila menjur menta ka si la iba hek la kula ban 80,000 na ka state bat 6,000 na ka central kumbangi juyo terus kata de points baan ke balai ka incentives ke monthly incentives ke baki asha ki juyo kumba ka central labu ti tentas ti kinyo baik kumba ki juyo kila ban yo 6,000 ala 6,000 ka sanspa ka arspa ka traspa ka nong ta dabun ki asha ki juyo baik kata ki amount ke baki lek tum ke jingtre ke jongki kata kadai ba iba hek menta ka singi ila promise ba ila ong but sakawai pat ke points ke ba saw na ka benta ke pending dues ke ba ngila demands du kamensha nadu ke MMBS nadu 2012 hadu 2018 ti ila kular ba ila ong bangin ai no tang hapo ubana Julai ngin pelat no kata bisa ke basa kasa arho arhajar kron kata i ongin pelat no ubanai March ubanai Julai honi ubanai banuan ila ong bangin pelat no ti nang ta susu sakawai pat hakabaya dai bat kini ki namar ba kumbi kila di ki ong menaba kin penkut no hadu arhajar jingisha ka jingikran kala ong bai bikin penkut ya katu ka scheme jong ka MMBS perlu ada katra tang bahadin mengiyata nya kren tingi sospo bai isa hila ong bakan nang walk out ngindang hap ya examen syai kane kin hap ya tres syai kane ban pendap pada yu arhajar kat khandai arhajar kat pra kat khandai arphau ka bamut namar ba ka jing ong jing bahak manai ki ong ba hadu ubanai match arda kat pra ka scheme kin penkut no handrai ngingi ong bai nak liang jongi baki asya ngi kidang bu ikar coach baki di banyo ya ka MMBS hadu u arhajar arphau til diet kidang bu ika records ti hadin bengila adap ya kerang mta ti isa ila ong bangin ya dang ya ngin review yang kata ila ban ya abyang hadu arhajar arphau kata ka bu 4 la ban ai kasaran sna ka bentau arda katra khandai arphau ti kata kedai ka asaran sebengin yo naka state government menta ka sengihi ti ngatharai kabaya dei bat ki incentives kinya bikin incentive kemuju yo man kapor kumbagi jolong man kapor bat kata kadai ka fix honorarium baki la adap ai ka naka government hi menta bat kadai ka jing sedang ho ngila ya persang banyak keren tambah ki ong kadai ka jing sedang ngin sedang sama ta ka hajar ti wal kan ni ya kataru ila ong ba nginem dei bukan sokut na tangah hajar tingin dang ya examen kinang ya tre susu kinang ya pet susu kinang habdan ka review meeting bikila bat hadin buat kan la belong si snap lese mo tingin nang la ban pen he susu ya kan ni kat kum ka jingya ke perthai tina ka banta kini ke isaran singa try la iso ko advice jongi kongsani kharjana hadin bangila yo ban yakran kum tu menne badi health minister mo ba AL hek kumbai la akran ila batai hiru bana kaliang jong i health minister ila kular ban siwi ka fix honorarium ka badai arhajar tengka hak bi de baki asya hoat na kaliang ka jongi dangi perkhat halor kijing kiu jong kini kidor ki marbam ki mardi long ngis ngau tu bakane kampat biang hina ka banta ka jongi tengi la persang hiru bangin ya keren ya i ni ongi klembu ya kanu ka fix amount mo na kaliang ke jongi nrei pin so ba ban penkiu idor kendiat iban ya habdor kat kum ke juk ka bamenta te na kaliang jong ipat ila request i ong bakane kadang dai tang kecing sedang kam dai hiru ke jingkut ti ongin sanang le ya kane na kapor bangin nang ya le hiru ban penkiu ya kane ka fix honorarium te na kaliang jong hiru kum kinong ya lam jong kami galia Asha Workers Union hi kum bangila yo ban ya keren menne bad i nginom syong thaj bangin siapa ya kane kumbangi le akran after 3 months and 4 months ngila ban sedang ban follow up no ya kane bakin nang kham pen kiu shu te khandiat ru na kaliang ke jonga ha kane kapor nga shimru ya kalat ke kabu bangan ai khublai kerpang ya ke senjuk jong kinong sen shar sinong kabri nyau terap ki badai kum ki kpa ki jongi ki bapet bakmi engi hapo ka sinong ka thau ki baju i hiru ki kam ki bangi ni trai ya ke jingkloi ke jong ki banya senran bat ngi mentang kasngi mat kum ju ru ki jingkloi ki jong ki banya kersyane ngi habaki i ki kam ki bangi trai ngai khublai ru syaba ro khoj ki sang bahalang lani ki NGO lani ki kinu ki senjuk rang ba sinong ki bayadun banta ha ka biya kersyan bat ni namar kum bang ayu i baki penmi ha ki press and media mo lang baki news bangi pet
UKI ke jing kersan nak banta jongi te nak banta ke jong nak banta ke Meghalaya Asha Workers Union hi ngi pha ke jing kublai sha baro khot gitu ke badon ke mensim bania kersan bat ngi namar bangi sung tu bangi namla bangi ne kendu yaki lane bangi ne kublai kiti resim ye kene ke jing kublai ke bakal lumlang ke jongi yaki baro te nak liang ke jong akum ke president jong ke Meghalaya Asha Workers Union hi ha kene ke singi la penbana bangi la weng no ya kene ke indefinite strike kum bangi la bu namar halor ke jing ya keren ke jongi bangi la ya rai bangi penkot ya kene ke strike nang bada ke bangi pediang shwa ya ine fix honorarium ibadai ar hajat kasih benai